find the perimeter of any shape, we need to find the distance around the outside of that shape. And so if we have a rectangle or square, the perimeter is simply the distance round the outside of it. In other words, we need to find all of the lengths of all of the sides and add them up. So in this case, the perimeter is equal to 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3. So the perimeter is equal to 22 centimeters in this case. Or we could say it's 8 plus 3, which is 11, and it's double that because it's exactly the same on the opposite two sides. The area of any rectangle or square is equal to the length times the breadth. In this rectangle, the length is 8 centimeters and the breadth is 3. And so if I was starting any question on this, I would write down this formula first and then fill in the formula. So the length is 8 and the breadth is 3, and so that's 24. The only thing left to be careful about is the units of that. When we deal in length, we deal in centimeters. When we deal in area, we deal with centimeters squared. Also need to be careful if we have shapes, compound shapes, which are made up of more than one rectangle. The thing to be careful about is how we lay this out. And one good way is drawing a good diagram and then splitting it into lots of rectangles that we're very happy with. So let's try that here. I'm going to split this rectangle here and call this rectangle A. This one here is rectangle B and rectangle C. So when I go to find my area, area A is equal to length times breadth, 6 times 1, which is 6. Area B is this area here. Now I need to just be slightly careful because I might think that this distance here is 5 meters, but actually that's the whole distance, and I have 1 meter either side, so actually that's 3 meters in there. And likewise, if this whole distance is 3, then that distance must be 3 because the whole distance is 6. So this is actually a square, even though it doesn't look like it. So the area of that square is 3 times 3, which is 9. And finally, my last rectangle, rectangle C, there's the length, that's 5. This is 1 meter in breadth. So area C is 5 by 1, which is 5. Now just to finish it off then, let's add it. The total area is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 5, that's 20. And again, let's get the right units. We measured the lengths in meters, so our area is going to be measured in meters squared.